Each year, approx 6 lakh students from the nation appear in IIT JEE exam that makes it India's one of the toughest exams. Today, we are gathered here in Sukriti World School to congratulate and have a motivating conversation with one of the students who cleared IIT JEE Advanced just in one attempt soon after her 12th standard.
Hello, I would like to have a short introduction. Tell me something about yourself.
I'm Himanshi and I'm from Kerapur village, and I passed my 10th standard from Jaiman Public School, and I was the topper there and I scored 97%. And then I passed my 12th standard from Sukriti World School, and I was the topper there also, and I scored 96.4%. And I got 99 in maths.
Okay, in which year you have passed your 12th?
I passed my 12th in 2020 and 10th standard in 2018.
Okay, and you best score, and what was your stream in 12th standard?
I was in non-medical and I scored 99 in maths, and all over I scored 96.4%.
And what were your favorite subjects?
My favorite subject is mathematics.
Okay. And what things motivates you towards your studies?
My parents and my teacher, because each of them is so dedicated, they give their best input, so I believe that I should give my best output also to make them proud of me.
And how your school has supported you, the way your teachers have taught you and motivated you, guided you?
My school plays a very big role in my success because teachers here are so dedicated. They try their best so that we can understand every topic and concept within the school hours only. And even if after that also we have doubt, we can ask in extra school hours, and they never deny of. If we can ask any doubts, any number of doubts we have, and they never deny, they tell us frequently until we are clear about the topic.
And other than academics, in which activities you have participated in the school?
I participated in co-curricular activities like English declamation, English extempore, English debates, and I scored first position in English declamation and extempore, and second as well in many different categories also.
And everyone has, as we know, their weak points and strong points. So what were your weak points and how you have overcome them?
I think my weak point sometimes was my time management, because I sometimes got a bit, lazy and lethargic. So I overcome this with the help of my mother. She was the one who took care of my time, that I'm not wasting. She kept on saying that use your time perfectly, and due to her only I used my time beneficially, and it proved to be fruitful.
And right now what you are doing?
I will be pursuing BTech from IIT Delhi.
And what is your goal in life?
For now only it's BTech from IIT Delhi, and then when I get more into my field, I get to know more about the courses, future prospects, and I will then see in the future itself.
Okay, at last, Himanshi, I want you to guide the students, and I want you to tell them your secrets and your key points and how they can improve their studies. So I want you to guide them.
So first of all, do whatever you are interested in, okay? And it starts right when you choose your stream in 11th. I want to say to all the students that do not underestimate any stream, because every stream has a lot of scope in itself. Okay, so don't choose a stream because in particular because other students are choosing it. Follow your passion, and then like if you are choosing non-medical like I did, and if your aim is to clear JEE Advanced, then you should work right from the beginning, that is from 11th standard, because these 2 years are the main years in your life. If you'll work hard in them, like in the 11th and 12th, then the future will be beneficial, it will be fruitful. So you should work hard, you should be determined and dedicated in these 2 years. Work hard, like if you want to practice, then practice past year question papers, solve past year questions, as many as you can, because practice makes a man perfect, I also used to practice different questions, I used to solve past year question papers. That's the main thing, you should do to improve yourself. If you have some weak points, then you practice and gradually, but eventually you'll see that your concept has been cleared because of solving all those questions. So this is the only thing, like you should be working hard in it, because if you're opted for science, then you should work hard, because GE Advanced is one of the most toughest examination in the world. So if you're not working hard, then it's futile. You should give your best, and then rest is in the hands of the God. Like, you should give your best to the utmost, try your best, and then it's all good.
Have you taken coaching classes?
I took 1 year coaching in 12th standard from Kash Institute. So it was 1 year. I took 1 year coaching for 12th only, so I had to cover up all the 11th topics also in that 1 year only. So it was a bit more hard working, it took more efforts, but I tried and then I cleared
And
JEE Advanced.
how was your performance in the coaching institute?
It was good from the beginning only. I was in the top students and I always gave my best.
Like atmosphere was obviously changed, so have you faced any problem there?
First day when I joined my coaching, it was like I'm in a different environment. I felt that other students they are better than me, because they are joined in class 11th only. So I felt like they are better than me. But then I got to know that every student is good, and I should fight with myself only. I should compete with myself only. I should make myself better, and then the rest is the history. I was good in the coaching also. In the 1 year, I was consistent with my performance, and I scored good.
Thank you so much, Manshi, and best of luck for the future also.
Thank you so much.
अब हम हैं हिमांशी के पापा के साथ। हम बात करते हैं उनसे कि आपकी बेटी स्टार्टिंग से ही ऐसी है या फिर बाद में आपने उसको गाइड करके, लाइक बच्चे बचपन में होते हैं कि इधर उधर की बातों में ज़्यादा ध्यान देना, खेल कूद में ज़्यादा ध्यान देना, तो हिमांशी बचपन से कैसी थी, आप हमें बताइए।
हिमांशी बचपन से ही मतलब ब्रिलियंट रही है, और बचपन से ही नर्सरी से ही इसने मतलब अच्छा किया है, और खेल कूद में तो ज़्यादा मतलब रही नहीं। स्कूल से आना और अपने पढ़ाई करना, तो मैं कहता था कि भाई बेटे थोड़ा मनोरंजन भी करो, थोड़ा टीवी देखो, तो तब जाके थोड़ा वो टाइम निकालते थे ये बच्चे। कि भाई मैं कहता था थोड़ा गाने वाने सुनो टीवी में, तो मतलब हर टाइम पढ़ाई भी नहीं, बच्चों को एंटरटेनमेंट भी होना चाहिए। तो थोड़ा सुबह उठो जल्दी, योगा करो, ये भी कहता था।
तो अभी उसने IIT जो वो बता रहे उसने क्लियर किया, उसके बाद आपको अब कैसा लग रहा है?
मुझे तो बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है, गर्व महसूस हो रहा है जब से मतलब हिमांशी है, क्योंकि मैंने सोचा था कि भाई मतलब बच्चे को अच्छा मतलब बनाना है। तो मैंने फिर 1 साल इसका लेट हो गया, 2 साल की कोचिंग करानी थी, जबकि मतलब 1 ही करा पाया। उसमें भी दिक्कतें आई थी, पर वो मैनेज हो गया। 1 साल करा दी थी आकाश से। तो मैंने स्कूल ने भी बड़ा सपोर्ट किया, टीचर्स ने भी बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट किया।
Tell me something about yourself.
My name is Megan. I am currently studying in class 12. I am from this school from past 6 years, and what I have noticed about this school is that this school is very good, and the study material provided by the teachers and notes that we made are very nice. And in class 10th, I got 97% marks, and I was the top.
What things motivates you towards your studies?
Like the inspiration I got from my sister. She motivates me at each and every step, how to study and what's the need to study, how education can help you in future.
And how your school is supporting you in studies?
The teachers and our principal sir is very supportive. They support us at each and every step. Even during our downfall, they stand us with us and help us to raise ourselves.
What was your score in 10th standard?
In March 2019, I passed 10th class 10 examination and I got 97%. And I got 99 marks in English, 100 out of 100 marks in science, 95 and in maths and social science, and 96 in IT.
Okay. Right now, as you know that the online sessions are going on.
Yes.
So, how your online classes are going on and how teachers are supporting you?
Teachers are very supportive, I told you earlier also, but the classroom teaching can never be,
Replace.
Yes, replaced by online, but still our teachers are very supportive. They send us notes and they make the notes themselves, and then they send those notes to us so that we can have a brief knowledge to the topics.
What is your goal in life?
My goal is to particularly make my parents proud of myself, and moreover currently my full focus on 12th boards so that I can score well and get admission into a good college.
And I want to know about your weak and strong points also.
My weak points are that I could not focus on one thing for long hours, I must say. So I used to revise things many times so that I can have brief knowledge of that concept, so that it can remain in my mind for longer time.
So we can say that for more time you cannot concentrate. So how are you gonna?
I used to take breaks in between whenever I study. Like for 1 hour I studied, then I used to take 10 to 15 minutes break. So that actually my grandfather always told me that your mind grasps things if you take short breaks in between. It recalls those things after during examination time or later on.
And as Himanshi has shared her key points and her secret of success, so how you gonna use them?
They are very inspirational for me, and I noticed that she put her best efforts and she cleared IIT exams, which is one of the obviously difficult exams in the world, and she is a source of inspiration for not only for me but for all other children also who want to become an engineer in life. So I think they should start preparing as told by her from the beginning only then they can achieve that goal.
What is the major thing your school is giving you, which other schools are not giving to their children?
The attention paid to individual child. All other schools, I don't think so, they pay attention to individual child, even if he or she studies or not. But in this school I have noticed the attention is paid to individual child, and they try to motivate him if he is not studying or not, and they raises the level of that child.
Thank you so much. Tell me something about yourself.
My name is Joy Yadav and I am currently studying in class 12 and I scored 96% in 2019 batch.
What things motivates you towards your studies?
I think the environment that I am getting from here, the school environment and the friendly atmosphere, I think that plays a very important part in motivating me. And also our parents look for two things. They look for the atmosphere that was provided by the school and they look for the quality of education, and I'm getting these two things from the school successfully.
So since childhood you were a scholar, or after sometimes something has motivated you towards studies?
I think I get motivation from 7th class. I came here in 8th class. I looked the studious atmosphere over here, and I thought that that education is very important in today's generation. If you want to be successful, it helps in overall personality development, and that I learned from over here, and that this school motivates me a lot.
How your family supporting you?
My family plays a big role in all the achievements that I have secured. My father, he helped me a lot. He always told me that follow excellence. Marks will automatically chase you. You don't need to put that efforts into it. So I always focused on getting more and more knowledge.
Tell me about the best thing of your school.
The best thing about here is the environment that they are providing us, the atmosphere that they are providing to us, friendly and very studious environment we are getting from here. We learn a lot from our teachers also. They are very supportive and dedicatedly provide us with everything that we want from them.
So are you good in studies only, or you participate in co-curricular activities also?
I participate in few co-curricular activities, like I participated in slogan writing and I secured first position in that. I'm also interested in sports, but I highly focus on my studies.
So what is your goal in life? What do you want to achieve? What do you want to be in your life?
I am interested in science and in literature also, so I am still finding my interest.
Tell me something about yourself.
is Kanak and I study in Sukriti World School, which is in Khedakud, and I'm a lot more studious child. That's it.
Okay. Right now, in which class you are studying?
I'm studying in 12th standard and
What is your stream in 12th standard?
non-medical and with computer science.
In which year you have passed 10th and what was your score?
I passed 10th in 2019 March and I scored overall 96%, which includes 97% in IT and 95 in maths and science.
What thing motivates you towards studies?
My aim is to be a software engineer, which always pushes me from backward to re-study, and that's it.
Sometimes does it happen to you that you get distracted? So how you determine yourself?
I think it happens once in a while, and my teachers and parents support me at that time. My teachers will counsel me that you are being distracted from the path, and when my mom nags me, then I will come back to a path.
As Himanshi has shared her success journey, how this is going to help you?
I want to become a software engineer, so obviously I will also have to clear JEE Advanced and basics. So she was an inspiration to me, and I'm also opting for IIT Delhi or Bangalore. So that's.
How your family supporting you?
My family is very supportive, and my mother is like, she always nags me and puts me on the path. If she was not there, I will never be a studious child and never be get good marks.
अब हम कनक के पापा के साथ हैं. हाँ जी सर, आपका नाम बताइए.
मेरा नाम संजय है.
और आपने अपने बच्चे का एडमिशन सुकृति वर्ल्ड स्कूल में ही क्यों कराया?
सुकृति वर्ल्ड स्कूल में इसलिए करवाया था कि इसका जो नाम है वो काफ़ी फेमस नाम है. इसमें बताया गया है कि यहाँ पे जो पढ़ाई होती है बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से पढ़ाई होती है और हर एक स्टूडेंट पे ध्यान दिया जाता है यहाँ पे, इसलिए इसमें एडमिशन करवाया.
कनक जो है बचपन से ही ऐसा है या फिर बाद में आप लोगों ने कि नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए, पढ़ाई पे ध्यान देना चाहिए, उसकी वजह से कनक?
बचपन से ही ऐसा है कनक तो, लेकिन इसका दिक्कत ये आती है कि ये अपने जो एक्सप्रेशन है वो ठीक से नहीं बता पाता.
जिस तरीके से कनक अच्छे स्कोर्स लाता है तो वो चीज़ आपको किस तरह से खुशी देती है?
मैम खुशी तो होती है जब बच्चा अच्छा वो करता है, मार्क्स अच्छे लाता है या ऐसा कुछ काम करता है जिससे हमारी जो है गुडविल बढ़े, तो खुशी तो होती है ऑब्वियसली.
We are with the principal of Sukriti World School, so we will ask him about the school activities and about the students who has scored so good.
We are pretty much satisfied with the performance of our students. This year Himanshi has cleared JEE Advanced and she has got admission in IIT Delhi. So it was one of our dreams that one of our students will join IIT Delhi, and this year our dream has come true. So congratulations to Himanshi, her parents, teachers and her classmates. So it's a team effort. Definitely there is some contribution from the parents and her classmates and definitely from the teachers. So congratulations to all of them, and other students definitely are going to be inspired by Himanshi. So if I would like to say something about Himanshi, what kind of girl she is a focused girl who has made proper subject-wise notebooks, making doing date-wise classwork, homework in neat and clean handwriting, getting them checked from the teachers, and she's a regular student with almost 100% attendance in the school. And as she has not taken any kind of tuition or coaching till class 11th, and still taking some guidance in 12th class from outside school also, and she has cleared IIT Advanced. So this thing tells that the way we are giving education is a good one.
What message you want to give to the parents and to the children?
See, like I told you that we are supposed to be regular and consistent in whatever we are doing. So we are supposed to focus on the present, means present day, what our teacher is teaching and what assignment she has given. So first of all, we have to finish that work also, and not worrying about the past and even not worrying about the future. So do never leave today's work for tomorrow. Finish it today only and stay confident and keep on revising your work so that you don't forget what you have learned. So that is also very important. So you yourself is watching yourself. So you need to be self-motivated. So don't compare yourself with others, but keep on improving yourself, that, and keep on moving upside on the ladder. So you are one of your kind, so no comparison with anyone, but yes, you are consistently improving yourself, studying better, giving more study hours, scoring better marks, and keep yourself motivated by that. And for the parents, I would like to say that keep an eye on your kids, what they are watching, what they are doing, check their work every day, means spend 10 to 15 minutes in checking and signing their notebooks, what they have done today, discuss with them, so that students will have an aim that yes, in the evening our parents will sit along with us and they will see our work. So throughout the day the student will also do his work with keeping that objective in mind.